Hello friends, now I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surf. Okay, first you will install the Subway Surf app. See, I am already installed the app. Okay, now I will go to inside. I will hack in Lucky Patcher app that need a no root. See here the Subway Surf app and I will show you. Now here the coin is 1222 and the key is 5. So when I will give a plus, I'm here giving some money, but I had no money. I don't pay with Play Store, so I will hack this Subway sub. You will see this giving me a money. Wait, okay, 6,400, but I don't give any of them. Simply come out of the game and go to your web browser. I will using Chrome and then type download Lucky no root. See here in the first you will click them and then come down, download Lucky Patcher. Now the new version is 6.5.0. I will already download it, so when you want to click this time and you will download start automatically. See, Lucky Patcher is downloading, but I will have installed already in the app. See here the Lucky Patcher app, the Subway sub. Okay, now this no rooted. Now I will tell you how to root. See here the green symbol, so it is was hacked. Now click this Subway sub and then you click open menu of patches and create modified APK file. You click, then you will have a 4 options. You will click wait no APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Then click rebuild the app. Now this will take a 5 to 6 minutes or any games are very big that will take much time because this has a no root, so you will waiting for a time. another one thing I will tell you, you don't need internet connections. Okay, now the app is finished. Now you want to see here N1 success, N2 success. This means there is the app is hacked. So you don't click OK. You will go to file, then click subbase of this and uninstall and install. You will uninstall this app and then reinstall it. Now you see the Subway surf is installed and click done. Then come back. You don't delete or uninstall the Lucky Patcher. That will need for this purpose. Now the Subway surf is hacked. Now go inside. You will see now the Subway surf is tap to play. That means the app will newly installed. So click and then play for a time. This is for new user. Okay, now come back. I will show you. Click here me, and then you want to see the coins is 0 and keys is 5. Then click plus symbol. You have this. I will tell you. Sorry, I will telling the old Subway surf, and this is a hacked. See the 0.7, 0.41, 0.87. You click now. You want to buy this 650 keys. Click them, and then you directed to Lucky Patcher. Wait for a second. See here that will get it. Okay. See here the money is increasing. Next you come on, you want to buy a coins and click here, then you will get a coins. This means you will get more coins and buy anything. Okay, now you want to buy this man. See, give, and then you will unlock it. That means you have more coins and more money. Now you want to also bought any surfboard. Okay, please subscribe, share and like, comment. Thank you for watching this video.